San Fernando Mission. And these are beautiful bells, and beautiful churches, and beautiful creations, and beautiful paintings. We have cool artifacts, man-made chairs from the Indians, and logos. Incredible tools, lots of incredible tools. Saddles.
This is the beautiful church that we saw in the Seventh Kingdom Mission. Beautiful bells. Beautiful stairs. There is also a beautiful school. A good painting. And there's also Mother Mary. And there's even Mother Mary. And a pottery room.
I told you. Here in the San Gabriel Mission we have anchors, beautiful gardens, a beautiful church, and a very nice spring spot. This is the San Fernando Mission, and these are our fountains. And our mission. And this is our museum. And our church.
Hi, my name is Ernesto.
Hi, my name is Kayla.
Hi, my name is Kimberly.
And hi, my name is Nicole, and this is our crew members for the movie.